watch his video because he's supporting to me, guys. And if you can see, I'm sharing his video. I put in my post community. And thank you so much, Sir Luxor TV. Thank you so much for your helping my stream. You can #1 sharer of my video, even you can see nothing at all inside because I cannot sit face to face to my audience because at my side not allowed to me. I'm sitting all the time in my phone because um, I have I have work busy, but I do live every day 24/7 because of my WH. My live is open at 1, but me, I'm working for away. And like this morning, uh, I'm finished to sleep. That's I do the voice for I do the voice for make thankful for my viewers and some new subscribers. But later on, I do face to face. But now, no, because I'm not prepared to myself. I can see. I need glasses. I can see if I stay my life. Only see my head, my forehead. That's why I don't face to face. Lack of materials. But later on, guys, can I face to face to you? Can I invite the friends? We go together live about singing or playing. Can I share to you that one later on? But now just I do prepare first. Oh, I make together live. Just I'm select of my one of my friends. For singing, I know later on if it is not busy, can I invite him? I see. Oh, for my playing, I have only to select together. I make that one before in a first or second time. I have one sponsor that one before. The first time I make my own money, but somebody telling me no need to use my own money because in my side I don't have still I don't uh still my account not monetized. Somebody advised me to just I make my WH and later on can I give you a blessings because in my description just only I'm selected what I make my description because now just I'm focusing my cooking and cleaning. Can I share to you some of kind of videos, but me still in the house. That's why I shared to you my video about all about this cooking and Arabic food. That's it, guys. And once again, good morning. I will sign off. This is Annie PH Vlogs. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments, and share, guys. And again, thank you very much. Have a good day. And let's enjoy our channel. And bye bye, guys. And more power. God bless us all. Thank you to each and every one of us.